welcome to this special edition of This Week at Pearl. We are on the red carpet interviewing the cast of the upcoming musical. Here are some of the stars now.
Thank you. You're all so sweet. You might remember me from my recent performance in Away in a Mango. I truly took deep in that performance. Hours and hours of method acting, spending time at the beach, taste testing, color comparison. Oh, Madame, please, would you eat me? Eat me!
Well, oh, okay. Moving on. This looks like someone important.
The lady doth protest too much. I think, huzzah! I am ready for a starring role this year. I spent all summer at Shakespeare camp preparing.
That was different. Oh, it looks like we have dancers next.
My little flowers are ready to shine in their upcoming performance.
Enough with the flowers already!
You're just so cute.
Are we? Are we?
I thought you were thrilled to be part of the show.
We were until we learned that we would be playing flowers again.
They don't seem happy about their flower parts. Oh, here comes someone who's definitely not playing a flower.
Hey, Alex here. Just hoping this premiere gets done before basketball practice today. I want to try on my new trick shot.
I thought you played the piano in the show.
Yep, just passed my level 2 blue book.
Well, that is something. Not sure if that qualifies you for an orchestra in a musical play. Oh, here comes a couple of people who look like they're in charge of something.
Yep, I'm the stage manager, and this is my right-hand helper, Jaden. We take care of everything backstage, including all the special effects. This year, we even run our own play called The Daughter Dog Vendor, Her Flowers, and the Intergalactic Space Thieves, the musical.
That is a mouthful, all right.
But did you know my aunt is a big theater critic in New York City? And she is coming to review the play.
Wow, that sounds like it's gonna be a big deal.
The reviews are going to be published in all the major newspapers throughout the country. What they don't know is that I have a plan to ruin their musical forever. My aunt is going to write the worst review ever.
Well, you heard it here, folks. Will Ruby Grunch pull off her plot to sabotage this year's musical play? Or will it be the best one yet? Come to the Stiver Center at Real Honda Prep in Arcadia on March 13th at 10 a.m. or 7 p.m. and find out.